In today's video, we are going to cover how to get paid by clients with Wise. Start by logging in to your Wise account. Once you are signed in, go to the balance for the currency you want to receive the payment in. This part matters because Wise gives different receiving details depending on the currency, so make sure you open the correct balance before you continue. With that balance open, look for account details and click it. This will open the receiving information connected to that balance. These are the details your client will need in order to send money directly to you through Wise. Next, click Share. When the sharing options appear, select Copy All Details. That will copy the full set of account details for that balance, so you can paste them into a message for your client. If you have more than one balance in your account, it is worth checking one more time that the copied details match the currency you want to be paid in. Now send those account details to your client. You can share them through whatever communication method you already use with that client, as long as you are sending the copied details exactly as provided in Wise. Avoid changing the formatting or leaving out any part of the information, since your client may need the full set of details to complete the transfer correctly. After that, ask your client to send the payment using those account details. The key point here is that the client should use the details from your Wise balance, not old bank details or details from a different currency balance. If they send the payment using the information you copied from Wise, the funds will be directed to the balance you selected earlier. Once the payment has been sent, wait for it to arrive in your Wise balance. Processing time can vary depending on how your client sends the money and which currency is involved, so you may need to give it a little time. While you wait, you can check your Wise balance for updates, but there is nothing else you need to do in this flow until the funds show up. When the payment arrives, you have a few options inside Wise. You can keep the funds in that balance if you want to hold them there. You can convert the money to another currency if that fits what you need next. You can also send the funds out to your bank account from Wise once the payment has been received. Thanks for watching. Your Wise account details have been shared with your client, and your payment can now arrive in the selected Wise balance.